Lithuanian side, still sides. It always strikes me that we are never sure if we understand each other, we are still communicating with a big passion for this very human thing. And I want to say several remarks about how I see the vision of how humanities can contribute to this ongoing task of investigating different modes of communication. First of all, I'm coming from phenomenology, from background philosophy, and I think that we can use one very bright distinction made by Edmund Husserl, which was distinction between explanation and description. And I see a lot of hot topics in communicational breakdowns today, like blaming media, blaming ethnicity, and so on and so on. And all this goes under the umbrella of explanation. We are looking for some excuses, bad faith, in some sense, and so on. Sorry, maybe I'm using the hard philosophical discourse. But on the other hand, I think we are still lacking a good description of the background processes which underlie communication. I mean, the very constitution of intersubjectivity, which lies, let's say, under the background of communication, is still unexploited in a manner of, in the face of new modes of media and new interaction between different sexes and new self-consciousness of different types of human modes, if I can say so. So after that, after we can expand the modes of description, we can come to the better explanations, I guess. And those modes of description can use languages which are not very welcomed still in scientific world as languages of poetry, for example. And I can remind you Gaston Bachelard, who wrote a lot about the communication of the images, about the magic of poetry, how we can, let's imagine a world where poetry cannot be translatable. How much we would lose. And what happens, I'm not talking about battery stations, we have a lot of Lithuania, but what happens in an image? What kind of, not communication, but already community happens in an image when all the wholeness of our soul or self participates in that image, as Master Eckhart said, when I'm bored, or maybe when I'm longing, I'm creating an image, and my soul steps into it. So I think that we're still in the urge of this human thing for communication, and only after the background layers are done, I think we can get to so hot topics as ethnic conflicts and so on. They are too quickly approached today. Thank you.